In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete boards in Trello. If you're looking to clean up your Trello workspace and remove boards you no longer use or need, you've come to the right place. Trello doesn't offer a direct delete button for boards, but don't worry. I'll guide you through the process step by step to ensure you know exactly how to achieve this. First, you'll need to locate the board you want to delete. Open Trello and find the board on your dashboard that you wish to remove. Once you've selected it, navigate to the top right corner of your screen. Here, you should see a three dots icon, which is often referred to as More Options or the menu icon. Clicking on this will open a drop-down menu, providing you with various options related to managing your board. Next, with the drop-down menu now visible, you'll want to scroll through the list until you find the option labeled Close Board. It's important to note that closing a board is a prerequisite step in this process. Trello requires you to close a board before it can be deleted. Once you've found this option, go ahead and click on Close Board. After clicking, Trello will ask you to confirm your decision. You'll see a prompt pop up asking if you really want to close the board. Confirm your choice by selecting Close. Now, your board is officially closed, and while it may not seem like much has changed, it is an essential step toward the final deletion. At this point, the board is closed, meaning it will no longer appear on your active boards list, but it isn't entirely deleted yet. To permanently remove it, you'll need to take one additional step. Once the board is closed, return to your main workspace within Trello, where you'll be able to access archived boards. Here, you can find the option to permanently delete the board. Finally, should you decide to remove any associated information entirely, there are further steps. However, for most users, closing the board will suffice for keeping your workspace neat and well organized. Remember, if you ever close a board by mistake, you can easily reopen it from your board's archives as long as it hasn't been permanently deleted. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully navigated the process of closing and setting up for removing a board in Trello. Keeping your workspace organized can help you focus on the projects that matter most. So taking this time to clear out unused boards is a great move. As always, feel free to leave a comment if you have questions or need further assistance. And thank you for watching. Happy organizing!